Integers can be best understood by the use of the number line. Number lines have a zero in the middle, negative numbers to the left, and positive numbers to the right. To use the number line to find answers, start at zero and then move left and right according to whether the expression represents an addition or subtraction. Where the last operation lands, it gives the answer. For example, evaluate. -3 plus 5 plus 7 minus 9 plus 4 minus 6 plus 2 plus 8 minus 15. Starting at 0, move 3 to the left because it is -3. 5 to the right, 7 right, 9 left, 4 right, 6 left, 2 right, 8 right, 15 left. The answer is -7. Another example. Evaluate. 8 plus 3 minus 6 minus 12 plus 5 minus 2. Starting at 0, move 8 to the right, 3 to the right again, 6 to the left, 12 to the left, 5 right, 2 left. The answer is -4. From the use of the number line, we learned that adding two positive integers gives a positive answer. 45 plus 15 equals 60. Also from the number line, we learned that adding two negative integers gives a negative answer. -20 plus -13 equals -33. And adding a negative and a positive number gives an answer that could be either positive or negative, depending on whether the larger number is positive or negative. Positive 14 plus -8 equals 6. Positive 12 plus -19 equals -7. What we just did is called algebraic addition. Notice that we are always adding, except that when you add a positive and a negative number, you're actually subtracting. Nevertheless, it is called algebraic addition. Now, if we have algebraic addition, we should also have algebraic subtraction. Algebraic subtraction involves taking away a positive number. For example, I have $15 in my pockets and take away 8 to buy lunch. Positive 15 minus positive 8 equals $7 left. Now let's try taking away a negative number. For example, I have $25 left after paying $10. If the payment is returned, 25 minus -10 equals 35. Let's try a variation of the same problem. I borrow to buy $25 in groceries. If $10 are returned, -25 minus -10 equals -15. Notice that because there is a benefit from taking away a negative, the result of negative times negative is positive. Let's try another example. Joey owes $20 to Ricky and $18 to Maria. If Maria forgives the debt, then he only owes $20. The equations to show this are -20, -18 equals -38. $38 is what he owes. If one debt is forgiven, take away the negative. -38 minus -18 equals -38 plus 18 equals -20. Let's try now a more complicated example, where addition and subtraction, positive and negative numbers all get combined at the same time. In this example, 8 is added to 10, and then 3 is subtracted. -5 is added, 7 is subtracted, and -6 is subtracted, and so on. This shows we can add negative numbers, plus -5, subtract positive numbers, minus +7, subtract negative numbers, minus -6, and so on. Sounds confusing? Let's break it down. Start by adding 8 and 10 to get 18, and taking 3 away is 15. So far, so good. Next, add -5 to 15 and it goes down to 10. Adding bad to good makes it go down. Next, subtract +7 and go down to 3. This time, taking good away makes it go down. Next, subtract -6 and go up to 9. Taking bad away makes it good and goes up. At this point, having a parenthesis is the same as not having one. Ignore it and continue. Next, add -12 and go down beyond 0 to -3, the negative side of the number line. Next, subtract +14 and go down to -17. Taking good away makes it go down further. To finish, subtract -9 and go up to -8. Taking bad away makes it go up. By now we realize that having two signs together is confusing. Therefore, we'll take a shortcut by converting all double signs into one. Using the following example, we remove double signs and all parentheses, leaving only numbers and one sign between numbers, using the following rules. If the signs are the same, turn both signs into one positive sign. If the signs are different, turn both signs into one negative sign. Same, positive. Different, negative. So the expression with only one sign in between becomes -12 plus 9, 2 of the same, +14, -7, 2 different, -11, 2 different, -8, plus 5, 2 of the same, +16, 2 different, -2. Find the answer by moving right and left on the number line. Starting at 0, to the left 12, to the right 9, to the right 14, to the left 7, to the left 11, to the left 8, to the right 5, to the right 16, to the left 2, stopping at